Hi, and welcome to Lumi Stitch, where threads tell tales. My name is Jessica, and in today's episode, we're gonna review this beautiful kit that I got from Dreamstitch. This is by Painting Fairy, and I've been looking at this for a while, and I finally got it. Look at that beautiful lakeside. This is a stamped cross stitch, and let's go over the statistics. So this chart, I should say, kit is 250 stitches wide by 430 stitches high, and I got it in 16 count, so it would be smaller, and 16 count you can actually see on it. I can see on it pretty good. I would not recommend 18 count. All right, so there is 100 and I think 121 or 120 colors. Let's see here. So there is total 121 colors, but those colors include blends. There's a lot of blends in here, and that's why the picture looks so nice. So there is only full crosses in this chart, and you can tell right here. It tells you the DMC number and what kind of symbol it is. All right. They also do it very nicely, like they group all the similar looking symbols together like this. You see all K's and all squares, they're all in the same box. So this is very nice. And I'm going to show you a little bit of chart. This chart is also available on Painting Fairy website, and it's only available in counted, but Dreamstitch has it in stamped. So that's how big the chart is. The paper is nice. You can cross it out. And let's take a look at the canvas. This is how big the canvas is. And I already tried stitching it last night. I had an itch to stitch. And I just put a little tiny bit amount, I think on this side. You cannot even see it. And then I just put it away. The printing is nice and beautiful, and as always, the canvas is just right for the stamped cross stitch. It's not too stiff, it's not flimsy, it's high quality cotton. It's printed by Painting Fairy. And let's take a look at, I want to show you what they sent me with this kit. This was a free gift included. This is like a tape for the fingers. Those are the bobbins if you do the parking method. And this is a snippets. They're actually very good. I had those before. They broke after a few years. And let's take a look at the floss. So if I counted correctly, there is 81 solid colors. This is the black. It's not on here, but comes like that when it's a lot of it. And let's take a look at each floss organizer. So each one is on the plastic organizer. Look at those beautiful colors. It did have like a ribbon was tied on it, but I took it apart yesterday because I wanted to stitch, and this is all Egyptian cotton. Very, very nice cotton. And one more. All right, you guys, this is all for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell for notification so you're notified when I upload. Thank you for watching. Bye!